Tired of boring backgrounds ruining your otherwise perfect photos? Then you're in the right place, because today we're diving into Photoshop to completely transform your images by changing the background color. First, open your image in Photoshop. The key to a great background change is a precise selection. Let's start with the Quick Selection tool. Found in the toolbar on the left, click and drag over the subject you want to keep. In this case, the person. Photoshop intelligently identifies edges, making the selection process much easier. If the Quick Selection tool grabs too much or too little, hold Alt or Option on a Mac and paint over the area you want to remove from the selection. To add to the selection, just release the Alt or Option key and continue painting. For areas with fine details, like hair, you might want to refine your selection using Select and Mask. Go to Select in the top menu, then choose Select and Mask. Here, you can use the Refine Edge brush to clean up the selection around those tricky areas. Once you're happy with your selection, output it as a new layer with a mask. This keeps your original image safe and allows for non-destructive editing. Now, in the Layers panel, click the new Fill or Adjustment layer icon at the bottom, and choose Solid Color. A color picker will appear. Choose your desired background color, and click OK. The new color will cover your entire image, but don't worry. Simply drag the color fill layer below your subject layer in the Layers panel. Voila! Your subject is now seamlessly placed against the new background. You can also use a gradient fill instead of a solid color. Experiment with different gradient styles and colors to achieve unique effects, and that's it. You've successfully changed the background color in Photoshop. Now you can give your photos a fresh and professional look, like this.